This is the first of two shorts on New York Central art posters or pinups, whatever you want to call them. This one is the New York State Empire Express passing West Point in the Highlands of the Hudson. The 20th Century Limited speeding through the heart of industrial America. Keep your windows closed, folks. The top is a painting of the meeting of the ways with the old locomotive on a stagecoach, and then the way it looks today. This was done in 1922. And for the public service poster from 1946, this is right after World War II. Good looking trains. Twilight on the Hudson in 1947. 20th Century Limited on the historic water level route. And the Century in the Highlands of the Hudson in 1944. These were really cool. Next batch will be all side-to-side ones. So stay tuned.